You searched how to buy shares of Halma PLC. Halma is a UK safety, health and environmental technology group that trades on the LSE PLC under the ticker HLMA.L. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search and type the ticker HLMA.L to find Halma PLC. Make sure you select the LSE listing to locate the correct share. Open the Halma PLC instrument page to view basic company information and a live price chart. Confirm the name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. To place an order, click Invest. Choose the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio and open positions list. For convenience, the example eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.